So for our poet presentations, we are going to use the technology tool Powtoon. So I'm going to give you some steps on how to sign up for this program as well as use it to be able to do our assignment. So first and foremost, we are going to sign in to Powtoon, and it is free. There are parts of it that are free. So all we have to use is our Google account. So up here in the right hand corner, we're going to click sign up, and it's going to come to this screen right here. So what we're going to do is click sign up with Google, and you are going to click your school Google account. So I already have a Powtoon account, so I am going to sign into mine, and I'll be back to show you kind of how to work this program. So once you get into this screen right here, once you sign up, this is what your screen will look like. So you have a ton of different templates to choose from to make this presentation. So what you're going to do first is go over here to the left hand side and click templates. And then you're going to look at all the different templates that they have. We've got several featured templates, remote in office. There's just different ones that you can choose from. So and you can look all the way through, but there are different ones for education and school. So I will start with one of those. So I'm going to choose this one. And once you choose your template, back up, once you choose your template, it's going to kind of show you like what it's going to look like, what your finished product is going to look like once you make it. Okay, so it's going to go through this little video. There's some sound to it as well. There's some music and stuff. So once you pull that up, you're going to hit Edit in Studio if that is the template that you want to use. So once that comes up here, it's going to look a lot like PowerPoint, like Google Slides or PowerPoint in Microsoft Word, but it's going to give you a completely different look about it. So each one of these, they have a different little template on it, and you can change what you want. It's okay to change what you want. It's pretty easy to figure out how to. I'm going to show you how to. So here is where you will put your author's name. So for this particular assignment, we are doing a little poet presentation. So whoever your poet is that you chose, you're going to put their name right here. And then here, you're going to put your name and who did the presentation. Next, on the rest of the slides, this is where you're going to do their autobiography. So I'm going to kind of show you how to type in this stuff. Obviously, when you click the box, you backspace and you can write your poet's name here. So if we were doing Ralph Waldo Emerson, for example, we're going to put his name there. If you don't want to, if there's nothing there that you want to, use, you can delete it. So you can just hit delete on your keyboard and it goes away. So there, it's that. And then over here, again, same thing. I'm just going to put my name there. So that's what I want you all to do. Okay, so you can also change the color by clicking over here and changing the color of it if you would like. You can also change the fonts just like that. Over here to the left, click font. You can change the size. You can change it to be italicized. You can put it on this side or in the middle. There's a lot of stuff that you can do here. all of these different things down here. You can put links in, you can arrange it the way that you want, effects. You can make it like handwritten. That's kind of cool. And whatever you want to do. So it's pretty easy to use. So as you go on down the slides, again, you know how to type things in. So whatever you want to do, if you wanted to put a quote here or you wanted to start in with their biography. Now I'm going to show you how to put some pictures into the slides. So here, obviously, if you're doing a poet presentation, you are going to have to put some pictures in of the poet or of their home, like wherever they were from, or books or whatever that they wrote. So here are some pictures there. Now this is a template, so to choose and put your own pictures in there, you're going to click the photo there and you're going to click swap. So when you click swap, there are different things that you can swap it with. So there are a lot of already like different pictures in this program that you can use. Obviously the ones that say Pro, that's the ones that you have to pay for. So we don't want to do that. So if we click that and we go over here to, let me find it. So if we go over here to this right hand side, this is our ribbon here, and this has got everything in it. So if you want to choose a picture that's already on your computer, we're going to click Images. Okay, and when it says free images there, that's some pictures that are already in the program that you can choose to put in your presentation. However, if you want to choose your own images that you already have in your computer, all you're going to do is click My Images, and then what you're going to do is you can import images from different places, or you can just upload an image from your computer. So it takes you to your files and stuff like that, and then you can choose a photo from there if you want. Okay, so once you figure out, you know, what kind of photos you want to add in, that's where you do that at. So here again, we know how to type in things. So basically this program is pretty easy to use, and when you get finished with your product, it's going to give you this really professional looking presentation. So instead of, you know, just clicking back and forth through slide after slide after slide, this is going to be more of a kind of a presentation, kind of a PowerPoint, but it's going to be made into a video. So it's going to make it look a little bit more professional, and it's going to also be a little bit more entertaining and engaging once you finish, to know that you've got a really cool product. So that's how to use Powtoon. If you have any questions, make sure to email me. And